Why is energy always conserved within a closed thermodynamic system? Imagine a sealed box where nothing can get in or out, but energy can still flow inside. Have you ever wondered why the total energy inside that box never just disappears or appears out of nowhere? Well, the answer lies in a fundamental rule called the first law of thermodynamics. This law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only changed from one form to another or moved around. In a closed system, no matter crosses the boundary, but energy can still transfer as heat or do work. Think of heat as energy moving because of temperature differences, like when you feel warmth from a hot cup. Work is energy transferred through force or movement, like pushing a piston or turning a wheel. When energy enters or leaves the system as heat or work, the total energy inside adjusts accordingly. The key point is that the total energy inside the system stays the same over time. If the system gains energy, it must come from heat or work added from outside. If it loses energy, that energy leaves as heat or work. This balance keeps the total energy constant. The internal energy of the system includes all the energy stored inside, such as the movement of molecules, the forces between particles, and chemical bonds. When energy is added as heat, molecules move faster, increasing internal energy. When work is done on the system, energy is transferred through mechanical means, like compressing a gas. Because matter cannot enter or leave, the system's mass stays the same. So, any change in energy is only due to heat transfer or work. This makes energy conservation straightforward in a closed system. For example, in a steam engine, heat energy from burning fuel turns into mechanical work to move parts. The total energy remains accounted for, just changing form. This principle helps engineers design engines, refrigerators, and many other devices. It allows us to predict how energy will move and transform within a system without losing track of it. The idea is simple but powerful. Energy can only change form or move, never vanish. So, the reason energy is always conserved inside a closed thermodynamic system is because the boundary stops matter from crossing, and the first law of thermodynamics governs that energy can only be transferred or transformed. This universal rule makes understanding and working with energy much easier and reliable.